Welcome to our specialized quartz installation services designed for U.S. developers. Discover our collection of premium quartz slabs, the perfect blend of durability and elegance for any project. We are here to solve the biggest installation challenges for developers, streamlining the process from start to finish. Rely on our dedicated installation teams, composed of experienced professionals committed to precision and excellence. Our service network spans across the entire United States, ensuring support wherever your project is located. Let's be clear about who this premium service is for and the scope of projects we excel at. We specialize in handling large-scale commercial and residential projects, delivering consistent quality on every unit. This service is specifically tailored for U.S. developers who purchase our quartz slabs for their construction and remodeling projects. Our installation expertise is for projects requiring a minimum of 50 units or 3,750 square feet of quartz surfaces, ensuring efficiency and value. This empowerment allows you to focus on other critical aspects of your projects, knowing the installation is in capable hands. We guarantee quality assurance and reliability, providing you with peace of mind that the installation is done right the first time. Take the next step towards seamless execution and superior quality for your large-scale projects. Ready for our premium quartz installation services? Contact Quartz Trader today to discuss your projects.